Kakubor kelas priang hai kini kisni jipang kajing mamisto jengmut hapdeng working president Seng United Democratic Party UDP ubak poleng do badu presiden Seng ubak met baleng do. Kumjuru geladan kajing tarai bo ubak poleng do ulaban mino na Seng hashwak election hagas nam arajar apupra. Habayo abanikran badu ubak met baleng do hakakat wetrik unok pra ulong ba umtani ban ong ya bagi beriau kiakran sabar. Daga berpenpau balada unu-unu nong elam nu dukhat kidan kinung deg jing ne jing sngo kini ban penpau syai hapo kerensan jong Seng om manit keran sabar. La ban kedohang ne bagane ke jing bam sngohun hapadeng kinong elam ke UDP kalami ne ke jing syaweng no kinong elam ke UDP katau ba poleng do badu ba kermen cela na ke kenuhun menteri ha ke bal kentup no uba met baleng do badu ba lakmen romboi ha ke kenuhun menteri ke bathamai. Nere ke UDP kam cemlaai ke jing pensyai ke basyai halor ke negarai ban keliang menteri. Haga bana kaliang ubah poleng do ulapan pausha ya kejing mamhon halor ke negarai. Kejing mam dan juu ha kejing mam semai ha ka khandro trek unai luar kalapan pausha ya kejing mam suhun kejong ubah poleng do.
Kadang guna ke kampo yen ngan pinti kena panggil keren suahi. Kita kena ke benekong par ke badan kambah. Namar ba la ke wakum kata kami tada se nginya kena po yen ya ke kata balai kumu dengan nang benok. Ngat try kin dia keli ke la kalau muta. Tenda keli nang buat pol kalau muta na kam long muta. Ta tengam tin. Tenda keli mak makan bah kata. Te lu muta kan la ke kubor ke bah. Kelan bat kan apa man syahid utip so. Te yang besar ban. Sim kita hilang kami kam sa apa parti. Ini kan kita kita apa parti. Yeah, we are very positive. We are moving into that direction as a regional party. We are very confident. I think again I will go by what maybe something whatever is happening in between. But if you look at like 2018, there's a different scenario. Number of seats are less with us, but 2023 we have doubled the numbers, and 2028 we do expect that we will double the number also by then. So we are very positive, and I'm sure that definitely the people will realize and see what I mean, how to give the regional, parties a chance to take the, role in a better way. Well, as far as GHADC is concerned, we have already, as I had mentioned earlier, also our friends have all asked me. We have formed a group of party leaders in Garo Hills area because they will be informed and they will be aware more than us what exactly and how to move forward as far as the GHADC is concerned. So they are yet to give us a final thing, but what it shows, perhaps maybe few seats we will make an attempt to put up our candidates there, unless if there anything from their end, when it comes to this. So perhaps maybe in a few weeks' time we will be able to decide.